In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos in Notion. If you're familiar with Notion, you know it's a fantastic tool for managing your projects, organizing tasks, and even jotting down ideas. What makes it even more powerful is its ability to incorporate images seamlessly. Whether you're documenting progress, creating a visual layout, or simply adding some flair to your notes. Adding photos is straightforward and effective. Let's walk through the process together. First, you need to navigate to Notion. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're settled in, ensure you're on the page where you want to add your image. It can be a pre-existing page or a brand new one, depending on your project needs. Next, locate the section where you wish to place the image. Here, we're going to use a neat trick that allows you to insert images quickly using a command. You'll simply type in the / command what image honors it right there in the Notion page. This nifty shortcut helps to call up the image embedding options without having to navigate through boxy or menus manually. After you've typed "Wow image," you'll see an option titled Image appear in a small menu. Go ahead and click on that option. This action opens up the pathway to upload or embed an image directly into your Notion page. The simplicity of this step saves you time, ensuring you stay focused on the content of your page. Now comes the exciting part, uploading the file. You'll see a button that says Upload File. Click on this button to start the upload process. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to choose your desired photo from your device. Select the image you want to add and confirm the upload. As you do this, ensure the image is appropriately sized and formatted to make the best visual impact on your page. And that's all it takes to add a photo in Notion. With those few easy steps, you can incorporate as many images as you like, adding significant value and aesthetics to your Notion pages. This ability to customize and visualize your data or notes becomes more intuitive the more you use it. Remember, by creatively using images, you not only enhance the appearance of your pages, but also can make information more accessible and engaging for anyone who views your workspace. So go ahead, experiment with different photos, and see how they can transform your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning!